Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sandra from Jacob's Daughter Shop. I want to show you 3 journals I've created, all listed in my Etsy shop, and they all measure 8 inches long by 5 inches wide. Each journal ranges in 82 to about 88 pages. They are all similar in their content. They all have one signature and they all have sari silk closures. And they all are similar in that they have Tim Holtz Cardstock Covers. The first one is a butterfly themed journal. The next one is a flower themed journal. And the third journal is a bird themed journal. Okay? Alright, so what I want to do is be able to show you the content, the inside of the journal. So I'm trying to go really fast and try not to talk so much, okay? All right, so let's try the first one. This is the butterfly theme one with a nice, beautiful piece of lace. A little pocket here. Lots of laces and satin material cutouts. Avocado dyed paper, coffee dyed paper. Stenciling, stamping, various book pages. There will be belly bands, side bands, corner bands, or corner pockets. Love this material. Some stamping in the corner. Another beautiful pocket with some stenciling at the top. Some fabric gathered at the top. Some music paper. Some embossed paper. A little gem at the top. It's a little booklet with several pages for you to journal on. I like the sound of the paper. Vintage books. This is from a French book. It teaches you how to speak French. Little cluster here of piano gathered paper. Little butterfly, some lace. Two side pockets with some vellum paper. Gives you lots of places to journal. A little cluster here, made with I think this is like cardboard and some various elements on it with a little dangly. Call them little danglies. Some more embossed paper, beautiful pages from vintage books. Some more of that. It has like different colors on the fabric. I don't know if this is, oh yeah, it's another little booklet with a little side pocket. Some pages from a botanical book. And this is the middle of the signature. If you want to, you can even color them with colored pencils or pens. A beautiful butterfly with a small card. Another beautiful tag with a distressed piece of doily and a beautiful butterfly. More stenciling. Another side pocket made with some vellum paper. Another machine gathered piece of fabric, all collaged. I stamped on some lines so that you could journal here. Like I said, lots of space to journal. And once you go on my Etsy shop, you'll be able to see them. I'll show all of these today, all these journals, but they're listed separately in my Etsy shop. Oh, and this is a pocket. Another tag. It's been collaged. Music paper, stencil paper, and another tag with a beautiful butterfly. That's a cutout, and you can place it here or place it anywhere else in your journal. Looks so pretty there. I love the blue. And that's the end of the first journal, the butterfly journal. On to the next one. Just want to give you a quick overview so that you'll have an idea of what's in it. This is the flower themed one, again with the beautiful doily. Tim Holtz Cardstock. Now this one at the front is a little bit different. Has a little flip out, and it has a card that you can see here. I'm not going to take it out. Well, it just comes out this way. And you put it back in. And it folds over. You have a pocket here and another pocket in the back. A beautiful tag with some lace. And here you have a little booklet with ledger paper. And here you have a nice pocket with a glassine bag and some beautiful lacy material at the front, with some more lace and some ribbon and a nice decorative button. And like I said, they're very similar. They all have certain differences. Right here, I don't think I did this in the other one, has little pieces of material. Almost looks like stamps. Hope I'm in frame here. Another pocket. Beautiful pages from books. Machine gathered fabric. Some beautiful fabric. It looks like ribbon. Botanical pages. Some more embossed paper. A satin little ribbon that's been gathered. so many places to journal. Tim Holtz paper with some cutouts and some stamping. Some avocado dyed paper. Another machine gathered piece of ribbon. Rather, this is velvet. It's nice and fuzzy. And another belly band with collage, different laces, muslin, fabric, lace. And it's a little card that you open up. And in the back, another pocket with another card. Ledger paper. Some decorative machine stitching. Beautiful paper with Tim Holtz cutouts. Some more gathered velvet. Vellum paper. Avocado paper. 2 pockets. And another pocket at the top. Some more satiny material. Some sheer material. Love the sound of that. Okay, the center of the signature. And I cut out some of that fabric that you've seen throughout the journal, and just glued it onto the ends of the string. And a flip out with a long tag. A beautiful belly band with various buttons. And I won't take this one off, but just like the previous journal, some cardstock. It looks like cardboard, and it's all collaged with a little dangling little purse and a little flower. 2 booklets. And another booklet here. And a beautiful collaged side band, belly band. And this is vintage paper. I think it had to do with coins and, what does it say? Automatic coin wrappers. So it's very, very vintagey looking. An envelope, a vellum envelope with some beautiful lace and a little gem. I believe this is piano roll paper. Some more piano paper. Botanical paper, ledger paper, plenty of places to journal on. Love this. I think it was taken from a book. Shows you how to paint or embroider. And the last page. Oops, I think I won't unstick them. I'll figure that out. But we'll go on to the next one. I didn't want to tear it. Okay, and the last one is the bird themed one. This one has machine gathered muslin all the way to the back. And again, Tim Holtz Cardstock with a little embellishment. It's a flower. I think this looks like some type of material, shiny material, and the center is metal. And again, with this one, just like the previous one, it has a flip out. Again, with the card on the side, pocket and pocket. This is a collaged tag. And this one has this a little paper clip that has an embroidered flower and a card with buttons. Open it up and you can journal. And it's a flip out, a side pocket with some beautiful lace. And this holds it together. More stamping, ledger paper, various pockets. Again, all this paper is similar to the last two journals. Beautiful page with some beautiful birds and some stamping. Some embossed paper. Small piece of cardstock. And another tag with a flower and a little gem. Another tag. French pages. Avocado dyed paper with a piece of lace. Another collage tag. This is really old piano music paper. And some machine stitching all the way around. Embossed tag. Music paper. Avocado paper. Here's again a little piece of that lace. And all has to do with birds. Carry on the theme of birds. Beautiful birds on the side. Piece of ribbon, button, lace, and a little card with some beautiful lace. Music paper, embossed square, again with some machine gathered muslin and a button. Interesting pages. Another little embellishment on the side with that cardboard all collaged together. Again, the center of the signature. Paper at the ends of the threads to decorate it. We're almost at the end here. Another little piece of eyelet lace, machine stitched belly band with some beautiful flowery fabric and a button. Love this paper, so pretty. You can again color this with pencils or pens. Another glassine baggie or envelope, and again this is a collage. This is what I did is I took some muslin and kind of roughed it up on the edges, put some machine stitching, a button, piece of lace. I believe this is dictionary paper, and I stamped various things, bird and leaves and a little fringe at the edge. And a beautiful pocket decorated with some beautiful lace. Another collaged corner Another little booklet with various pieces of paper. You can journal. They seem thin, but they have a lot of pages. Pages to hold all your thoughts and all your memories. 2 more tags. Coming to the end here. And a beautiful little bird. That's a die cut. And some more paper. That's been punched out in the corners. Stenciling. Beautiful paper. A postcard made out of coffee dyed paper. And a stamp made out of lace and fabric. A little cluster. The paper that I like. Another little cluster. This fabric it's just so special, and has these beautiful flowers and leaves, and right in the middle there's that bird, so appropriate for this journal. Little cards with birds, a dragonfly, a little flower. And nothing stuck at the end of this one. I'll try to figure out that other journal. But all listed on my Etsy account. And again, thank you so much for stopping by to see these journals. And I hope you can click like and subscribe to my channel and come back and see more of my videos and more of the journals that I've created. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.